This article will show you how to replace your coolant pump. It is a very tight fit and will require patience. You will also need to drain and fill the system, so make sure you have all the tools and parts you need before starting. To begin, make sure the vehicle is stone cold and not under any pressure. Then remove the front engine trim panels, blue and red arrows. Remove the charged air or Y pipe. Next, you will need to remove the throttle body. While you do not need to remove the radiator shroud, it will give you a lot more room to work and only takes a few minutes. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with all of those tasks. While you do not need to remove the two radiators hoses, it will give you a lot more room to work and you're going to have to vacuum fill the system afterwards. If you choose to remove them, use set of hose clamp pliers and remove the clamps, and then use a pick on the seal on the hoses and separate them from the tubes. Before you remove the tension on the serpentine belt, use a T40 torque and break loose the 3 screws holding the coolant pump pulley to the pump, green arrows. I always mark the direction of the belt before I loosen and or remove it. Use a 30mm wrench, red arrow, or a T50 torque, green arrow, and loosen the tensioner. Then slide the serpentine belt off of the pulleys, blue arrow. Next, remove the 3 coolant pulley screws. Gently pry the pulley off from behind while constantly turning it small increments. Do not try and just pry it off all at once. Even taking our time and doing this in small amounts, the back of the pulley was stuck to the coolant pump mount and chipped off. This resulted in an uneven mounting surface and we needed to replace the pulley. Use an E10 torque and remove the 5 screws indicated by the red arrows. The pump will probably be stuck to the engine block. Gently tap it with a plastic mallet. Do this gently. Do not try and pry anything between the pump and the mounting area. Coolant will spill out, so make sure you have a large catch pan underneath. If you are removing the pump to replace the thermostat, make sure to install a new gasket when reinstalling the pump, red arrow. Clean the mounting surface well of any old gasket. Installation is the reverse of removal. Pelican uses and highly recommends using Porsche's synthetic coolant lubricant on the coolant pump gasket, as well as on any coolant gasket or connection. Tighten the pump screws in a clockwise manner, starting with the top screw. Torque the coolant pump screws to 12 Newton meters or 9 foot-pounds. You will now need to fill the coolant system, and this is done by a vacuum fill process. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.